I'm Blair from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you a quick trick on how to carry a banner or anything for a long period of time when it's going to be too heavy to carry this up over your head. It's going to get heavy after a mile or so. So I'm going to show you how to carry this banner without all the stress. So you need a belt, a rope that you can tie a notch into. The belt is just for your own comfort. And you can take a rope and tie a knot in it so you have a loop. Now when we go to carry this, we take the PVC, that's how we made our pole to hold the banner up, we cut a notch in it. This notch is going to give us something to put the rope into. Thusly. So now, as I go marching for 2 miles down the road, carrying my banner of the Harson's Island Garden Club, the ladies who are going to be carrying this are in their late 70s. So they won't have to be holding this over their head. All the weight will be on a nice comfy belt, and they'll be able to carry it with not much stress, and they'll make it their 1.5 miles, and their arms won't be falling off from the weight. So there it is. You're protesting or just marching in a parade. This is an easy way to hold a banner without having to hold it in your hands the whole time. Put a notch in the pole, put a line on a belt. You can make the line long or short so you can get the banner whatever height you need. There it is. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.